Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up payment stubs for premium credits using TurboTax, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the TurboTax application or website on your device. Log into your TurboTax account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your tax return. Locate the section labeled Income in the tax return menu. Click on the Income section to expand it. Scroll down to find the option for Wages and Salaries. If you have received payment stubs, select the option to manually enter your income. Now, gather your payment stubs for the current tax year. Ensure your payment stubs are organized and include all relevant information. Start by entering the employer's name as it appears on your payment stub. Next, enter the total amount earned as shown on your stubs. If applicable, include any withheld taxes shown on your payment stubs. TurboTax may prompt you to fill in additional information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the input for income. Once all data is entered, review the information for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments if you find discrepancies. Proceed to the next section for deductions and credits. During this stage, look for any premium credits that apply to your situation. When prompted, enter the relevant insurance information for premium credits. Ensure you have all documentation ready for verification. After completing your entries, take a moment to review your entire return. Look for any error messages or prompts from TurboTax. Once everything is verified and accurate, you can save your progress. To back up your payment stubs, consider scanning them to create digital copies. Store these copies in a secure folder on your device or cloud storage. Finally, ensure that you have access to these documents in case you need them later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.